Sometimes I remember the period when I was at sea, especially when I started as a cadet, Captain Fossati, that was spending always 1 or 2 hours every day, took the time to guide me, to coach me, how to do the observation of the star. And there was a fantastic philosophy, make me understand that this is a life that is not giving you only some beneficial from the financial point of view, but also for your spirit, your future career.
Pre-Ship is one of the largest ship management companies in the world.
Seafarers are looking for the reliability, and Pre-Ships is giving this reliability.
Because obviously we're quite a diverse organisation, we've got offices around the world.
From Far East to Africa, Canada, South America, it's all in there. So that drew me to Pre-Ships, and I thought, that is what I want to be. That is a company I want to work for.
I look after my 8 ships and to make sure that they're running all right. And if they need any guidance, I'm there to help 24/7.
I sail usually 2-3 days on board, make some reports, work with the people, see what we can improve, see what we can add to make the client happy in general.
I work as a vessel accountant, which involves the running costs and all the income related to the ship.
We have various in-house applications designed by the business.
We have developed software which can give the clients the ability to see all the analysis of their used lubricating oil.
And we give an outstanding job to the client, whether it's a very big client or a very small client with just one little ship.
When I was young, I would like to sail on board ships as a captain. I was at a young age then, full of ambition, and looking for a company who will guide and support me to achieve my goals.
I wanted to get my foot in the door with the company and then show my potential.
I have a passion for my job. I love the responsibility. I love the satisfaction that my job brings to me.
The reason for me to come ashore, I would say, I'll put that down to the desire to acquire knowledge.
I wanted to make a wider change, and I wanted to have a wider audience. So the only way I could have done that was by moving ashore and taking up a position where I was in a state to make a change for more than one ship.
I wanted to be with my family, to support my family, and as well opportunities of growth.
The best part of going away is coming back home safely. That's the promise you're giving to your family.
Some of the company only like to earn some money, but for the ships, they always take care of their crew. It is always for the safety of the crew, the vessel, the protection of the marine environment, and the property.
Due to the unforeseen nature of the shipping industry, anything can happen because the engine will not say to you it's going to break down. It breaks down and you have to fix it. So you're going to have to deal with it as unexpected.
And when everything comes together, the vessel starts and off it goes and heads from A to B, gets there safely, no off-hire time, no accidents, no incidents, and no phone calls at night as well.
Shipboard guys are happy. I am happy. My fleet manager's happy. The owners will be laughing. So, hey, I can't ask for more.
V-Ships helped me to progress my career in a very proactive manner while I was on board and as well as now.
The group is actually doing very well for individuals like me to be up to date with the knowledge that is required to do the job.
And of course people on board, like experienced captains, chief engineers and other chief mates can train me and can do the best for my development.
But one thing that V-Ships is very specific about is that we consider it highly essential for our cadets to be groomed and trained properly during the early days of their sea careers.
company has supported me throughout, basically, even during initial days as a cadet. Anything, any help required, they were always there.
We supported somebody for more than 500 days. Everything taken care of. That's our dedication when it comes to our sea staff.
Mr. Bob Bishop, Roberto Giorgi, everybody, even Singapore office, everybody was there with me. I think it was a big boost for me to keep going.
V-Ships is successful because the people working for V-Ships are all professional people. They give the best job they can do for any client we have.
And you know, being a people's company and us looking out for each other and supporting each other is something which is a very positive aspect of V-Ships.
There is an incredible amount of talent and expertise, and I like the working environment that we have in V-Ships.
My role at sea is always helping me in my current job. As long as you understand what seafarer thinks about what he feels, you can make the right decision.
Like we all know in the group, one team, one goal. So we are here to support and assist the people working on ships.
Of course, I can do many things myself, but when you act as a team, you become strong.
For me, lifetime career is the ability to learn, is the ability to continue to progress and achieve what you set up for yourself.
You working for a company that has the openings, various areas or expertise that you can develop as an individual.
I'm proud of V-Ships because it's the kind of company you can progress when working for.
Crewing, administration, safety, training.
Like my colleague who used to work here with me has now moved to V-Ships, and one of our other colleagues was in V-Ships has moved to SeaTech.
This is the place to polish up on my career. I feel that working with V-Ships gives you a tremendous opportunity to succeed.
Definitely we are the leaders.
I agree without any doubt. It's a fantastic organization to work for.
Today, V-Ships is a reality. The company became very, very large in the last 25 years, from 35 ships to 1,000 ships. We are very proud for our staff on board and the shore, because together we have been able to create a big growth in the company and a great success. This is a fantastic industry. We believe that we'll be able to create a much more value for the people that are working in our company and offer much more opportunities to any people that will join our fleet or our offices.
Let's grow the company together with the same team spirit, passion and commitment.
We grow together.
We grow together.
We grow together.